Hey guys, today I have a video with alipearlhair. They sent me over, I believe this is a 24-inch HD 180% density 13x4 unit. And you know, they sent me the normal goodies that come in the boxes, which is great. This is what the wig looks like. Really pretty hair. It has a really great density also. So this is what the wig looks like. I did pluck this hairline and I bleached the knots, and as you can see, this is like real HD lace with the fraying. You already know the drill. I'm gonna apply this got to be along my hairline and brush all my edges back first. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It's just a 13x4 frontal. It has a few combs in here and obviously the adjustable strap. Up close look at this HD lace. Yep, it's right there. And when you guys are buying HD lace, you're looking for this this fraying. You're looking for lace that is stretchy and really thin. Like, it should feel very fragile. As you can see, like, I can't even see the lace, but that looks like really good. So let's put the wig on. Okay, y'all, there we go. Obviously, you can see my cap right there. I'm gonna pull it off at the end under the cap, but I'm just gonna hold it there for right now. So I have everything laying nicely, like that looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Bold Hold liquid gold. And I'm actually gonna apply it in the front first. So what I'm gonna do is just flip it back. Bold Hold liquid gold. And just apply like a thin little layer along the hairline. Whoa. I will say, I like this stuff a little bit better than Got To Be. I just feel like it has a slightly stronger hold, but it is a little bit more difficult to deal with. Like, it's more wet and like gooey, so that's that. But I'll go on with a little bit of Got To Be, then I will blow dry. Okay, now that I cut the lace, I'm going to go over it with the Got To Be spray and then immediately add my Sid's Wigs melt band, okay? To really like put it all into place. Because as you see, like, there's like, you see this white film and whatnot, but this is really gonna get rid of it. This is what the hairline looks like. Actually looks really good. Looking pretty good. I'm about to do the edges real quick. Okay, y'all, I'm literally done with this install. Like, it really looks, it looks really good. It looks really good, and this hair is so soft. Like, so soft. The density is absolutely great on this wig. Like, OMG. This looks so good. I didn't get any shedding. I will say the hair tangles just a little bit, like near the nape. But, you know, this is 180 density. Like, this is a really thick wig. So you should certainly expect more shedding and more tangling. Okay? But this looks really good. Let me back up so you all can see how long this wig is on me. Okay, and as you see here, like, you can tell that this is nice hair when you're just running your fingers through it and it's not getting all like, not tangled, but like I'm running my fingers through it, but I don't need to comb it. Like, I'm flipping it to the back, to the front, and I don't feel like I need a brush. Like, the hair is still looking really silky and smooth and straight, and like, you know, this isn't the type of hair where you feel like you need a comb with you all the time. Like, that's just how some hair is. At this hairline, like, what lace? I know, like, literally the hair is really pretty. It's also like a really nice black color. It's not quite jet black, but it's definitely darker than just like their natural brown, the natural color, like the 1B. It's definitely closer to a 1, but it's not a full 1. It's not a full jet black, but I do like that because I just like when the hair looks really, really dark on me. Like, you guys should be pros at this point with the installs. Like, all the videos have the same exact install. They're glueless. This will last you for a few days. You can like go out to the club in this. Like, don't sweat too much, but like you can be a little moist and like your wig will not slip off. Behind the ear action too. Like, this is when you can really, when you have good lace, throw your hair behind the ear. It says something different. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.